foreigner. How do you define beauty? If we define beauty according to foreign perspectives, we enrich them. Kasi look, how do we define beauty? Minsan ang concept ng beauty natin, hinilok natin sa sa fashion TV. O kung yung klase ng pangangatawan doon sa fashion TV, mga models doon. And because they're beautiful, yung maputing-maputi, matama sa ilong. So, what happens? We have become the #1 users of whitening agents in the world. Totoo yun, we are the #1 users of whitening agents in the world. Sino yayaman? Siyempre, yung pinagagalingan ng mga ganyang agents. Kasi, he or what defines us has the power. Kung sino yung define sa atin, we'll have the power. Yung concept ng medicine, for example, if our concept of medicine is Western, we empower Western medicine. If we have our own definition of medicine, we empower our own healers, our own medical